try to make it out alive. Don't worry about me. Go! Go! Don't worry about me. Who can wall twerk the best? Good morning! Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
We ended up living through the first night. We made it because. What time is it?
Time for you to watch.
So funny.
It's 7:39.
It's 7:39 right now. And they had the nerve to wake me up at 6:20. We were supposed to be gone by 6:45, let's just say that. But we made it. We're out the house. And we're going to Yosemite Park now?
Yeah.
Yay! Nobody is. I was like, nobody's excited as me. I'm just happy that I'm alive. No lie. While I was outside,
Last night?
I felt like it was only a matter of time before I saw a bear walk out.
A what? A bear. Ain't nobody listening to you.
Do bears live out here?
I mean, define a bear. I'm just kidding.
Below zero. But we are walking to that waterfall now. Just the base of it because we can't go any further, but let's go, y'all. We're all still alive? Woo! Nobody has frostbite? No. I'ma do it. We are now leaving Brittaville Fall, and that was amazing. And I think we're on our way to, I want to say Myrtle Lake, Morel, one of those. And we're gonna hike over there. But first we're gonna go to the gift shop. So
Go pee-pee.
to go pee-pee, says Dawn. Well, I'm gonna go pee-pee too, so.
Talk to me too. So we are in the car right now, having lunch.
Me.
Oh!
All right, y'all. So we packed gourmet freaking lunches. We got croissant sandwiches, stuffed bell peppers with hummus. We got walnuts and chocolate macadamia. Oh, and red vines.
Hey, those are Twizzlers, sir.
Oh, Twizzlers. And boiled eggs. Fruit snacks.
Yeah.
Doritos. Hamster. Wheat thins. Who's starving?
You want to just go
And cuties.
Not this chick. Not that. We ain't eating that.
We not eating those.
We ain't eating that. Oh shoot. I was like, oh, but I'll put some string cheese in here.
And we're on our way to. Mirror Lake. It wasn't Myrtle.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't Myrtle. It was Mirror. So it's not Mirror?
Mirror. No, it is.
Oh.
Mirror. Mirror.
It's Mirror, not Mirror.
Mirror.
It's Mirror?
Mirror.
Why is she saying Mirror?
Is that it's mirror.
Oh.
That's what she. No, that's what she's saying. My collection's complete. I'm sorry.
A girl who has everything. Look at these. How many wonders can one Karen hold? What? Karen? Oh. Plenty. I got who's and what's in the Lord. You want to sing them about? I got plenty.
I want
more.
I want to be
Where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on that. What are they called? Feet. Right.
up where they run.
No, wait.
Up where they stay all day in the
So wandering free. Bet you on land, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters.
bright young women.
Yup, sick of what? Stand. Whoa, girl, hit that.
I'm not trying to start an avalanche, right?
You say it feels like the Hunger Games? Oh my God. What is she doing? Somebody get her some milk. Get her some milk.
Mama made it.
It is so beautiful out here.
Oh my God!
You know you scared the little girl.
Did I?
Yeah. And you screamed like that. She was like, do you ever look at a person and think, this is Aaliyah, something's always crazy going on in her head. You better stop. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You're not my dad. I might sound dumb as hell. No lie. Treasures untold. Oh my God, we left him on the rock. Yay. Noodlehead, I always want to hear something. How does she make it over? Ariel! What? Yes! Yes, Ariel!
It's really uncomfortable.
Do it for the vlog, I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vlog, I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vlog, hey, hey. Oh my God. Dawn? Oh, bless you. 3.
Thank you.
This feels nice. I feel like a breached seal.
A breached? That don't sound right.
Dang, I'm be mad if you put us in that water, Dawn.
Mad if you put us in our water, though.
What if my phone would have fallen there? I'd cry. Water resistant though, it's not waterproof. Her phone fell. Right there.
For the rescue, but she said, "Oh, shit, on my big stuff!" I knew it. Oh, go, go, go! Oh, wait! Ah! Yeah! No, do not get frostbite! Yay! Oh my God! My God! Hamster.
There you go. Keep going.
So close.
There you go.
Ah!
Keep doing that. Keep doing it. Oh, you
It's
hit a rock.
moving.
God damn. That minute. Actually, I can't get through it. Come on, there you go. I can't even move. I'm so cold. Oh my God. Oh, God damn. Take them off. I can't.
Take him off.